Thank you for taking time to view the Simple Designer video demo. Simple Designer is a CorelDRAW plugin we'll be releasing off of advancedtshirts.com in approximately 3 to 4 weeks. Now, Simple Designer is going to be unlike any of the other template or design systems available for CorelDRAW in the market at this time. The first difference is really going to be pricing. Simple Designer will be insanely affordable compared to some of the other solutions that are available in the market at this time. The artwork will also be much more in keeping with what's fashionable today, and we're also going to have a number of resources available that really aren't anywhere else in the world for CorelDRAW at this time, those being brush effects, certain styles of design elements, raster clip art packages, raster designs, things that are very popular in the market today, along with a plethora of high-end vector, easy to use, easy to color separate, easy to print. Whether you're doing direct-to-garment, screen printing, or anything else relating to garment decoration, this Simple Designer will be a very simple but yet powerful tool that will allow anybody at any level to either A, design like a high-end pro in a matter of minutes, or B, take your game to the next level by expediting your workflow, building off the templates that are already in place. And of course, affordability is going to be the key issue. Now, Simple Designer will be completely separate from our Simple Steps, Fashion Factory, and some of the other plugins that we're developing at this time, and will carry a monthly membership, and you'll have available to you design templates, CorelDRAW brushes, design elements, texture effects, thousands of free downloadable fonts. We'll also be indexing free art that we verify from some of the top designers in the world will function correctly in CorelDRAW X3, X4, and X5. All of this art and all of this functionality will be available directly through the internet, so that you'll have access to be able to do your design work no matter where you are in the world, no matter what you're doing. You'll be able to open up your laptop, search for a design, customize it, and present it to your client there on the spot. You'll also have templates for catalogs, flyers, and brochures. You'll actually be able to open a brochure with model comps in it, select several designs, drop those into the brochure, customize the text, drop the school logo or mascot, and walk into the coach with maybe a t-shirt sample and a customized brochure that you created in under 10 minutes that will make you look like the high-end catalog companies that are sending catalogs to these coaches or these youth organizations every day. But you'll be able to compete with them very easily and really doing all of this in minutes instead of hours. So take a look at some of the basic functionality here, and we've got some free sample on the site that you can download now, and this comes from our vintage tattoo pack. You can see we have some very detailed, nicely done vector graphics here. A lot of work here. We've been working on this for months. You can download this for free and check it out while you're waiting on the system. And we'll go back here to our design. We'll take a look at how easily we can customize a design like this. I'm going to go ahead and open Simple Swap, and actually Simple Swap will be part of the system, but this particular Simple Swap text swapper will be available for free on the site here within the next couple of weeks. And we can see that in our design we have 3 text areas here. And to select these, first of all, we could select all 3 of them simply by clicking them. And all 3 of them will be selected, and we could then move them around, as you can see. So we can reposition because now all 3 are selected together. I'll hit Control Z here, and we have some more control here. I can actually change this to, let's say, from Simple Designer to Design Warrior. As you can see there. Now Corel just processed a save, so I'll have to put in my IOR. So we've got Design Warrior here, and I can actually go through and change my font and the size of my font and also the properties of my font. So I'll go down through here and we'll go to, let's say, Savage. I don't like Savage. Let's go take a look at something like Manuscript Gothic. Don't really like that either. So I'll go ahead and come up here into, let's say we want to make this an intramural round stroke. And actually that's what I'll do. I'll change this to a sports style look here. Here's Design Warrior. I've got all 3 selected. All I have to do is click Apply, and I've automatically changed the effect in my design. Now my font's a little bit small there, so I'm going to want to change the size of that, so it'll go and fill that up. So I'll go and change my font size here to say 72, and then I'll click again, we'll update that, and now you can see very quickly I went and changed my text and expanded it right back out into the full size of what I needed to have design balance or balance in my design. Let's say I wanted to put a space between design and warrior. All I need to do is go ahead in here in my replace for, add a space, and then click apply, and now I've got a space there. So you can see I can very quickly change my text. Now when we're done with Simple Designer in a few weeks, you'll be able to change out your design elements, your design graphics, the textures we're making effects with, and some other things I really don't want to get into at this point until we release the plugin. So if you're going to be in the market for one of these design systems, go ahead and download the free art, check out the video demo, maybe sign up for the beta. We're only going to select 10 or 20 people to beta test with. We really can't handle beta testing with a large number of people at this point, but Go ahead and send me an email if you're interested in working on the beta. If we don't select you for the beta, don't take it personally. It's just that we're not a big enough company that we can work with 100 or 200 people at this time, but we can work with 10 or 20. We'll go ahead and wrap this up over the next few weeks. So thank you for taking time to preview the demo, and watch our newsletter on our site for the upcoming release of the Simple Designer system from AdvancedTshirts.com.